Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching my channel recently, you know that I'm trying to decouple from a lot of big tech. And the main reason is privacy and not being tracked, not having software and different, AI agents shoved down my throat. So today I'm doing a video about a company called Proton. So that's Proton. And my son recommended this company to me. They're based out of Switzerland, which has one of the highest regulations for privacy and data privacy in the world. So today I'm going to introduce you to some of the apps that I use. I subscribe to the Proton Bundle, and it's called the Proton Bundle Duo. So I'm able to have two different accounts on my subscription. It's about $220 a year. And I'm going to turn the camera around to my display, and I'm going to show you what it is that is included in this subscription and what I'm actually saving by using it. So here we go. Okay, so what comes in the bundle? So a lot of people use iCloud and a lot of people use Dropbox. Well, Proton has their own drive. All files are encrypted when they leave your desktop until they come back to your desktop, and you can have photos. So you can back up all your photos from your iPhone or your Android device or your iPad or your computer. You can share documents just like you do on Dropbox or iCloud. And it is encrypted end to end. And you also have the ability to use spreadsheets, documents, you name it. It has a great bit of functionality to it, and I think it's fabulous. I've been using it for about a month now. Now, the next thing is the big craze with AI agents, and I will admit I was using ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, but just like a lot of different Microsoft and Google and Apple, you know, they're watching everything that you do, and Lumo doesn't keep track of anything that you enter into this AI agent. As a matter of fact, anything you do enter is encrypted from the time it goes from my computer to theirs and back. So there's no chance of anybody hacking into what you're asking this AI agent. I found it to be very knowledgeable, and just about everything I've typed into it has come back. The answer has been correct, and it works really well. Now, the third item is email. You can get a total, you can get about 15 email accounts with your subscription. And that allows you to have aliases and, you know, maybe emails that you sign up for other accounts with. So it gives you lots of flexibility there. Same thing again, all your email is completely encrypted from the time it might leave your computer to the other end. And it's encrypted all the way to the person receiving it. Now, they don't need anything special to open it, but it's not going to get read by the company. All of your email is private and encrypted on their servers. So unlike Gmail and Apple, iCloud Mail, or any other mail provider, Microsoft Outlook, they do not guarantee that your messages will not be read. Whereas Proton is part of their mission statement is to provide software that is encrypted and private. So I use that. Proton Drive, Lumo, email. They also have VPN. So you can, surf all around the world with privacy. They have a whole array of different countries that you can VPN as, and all your data is encrypted, and this is also part of the package. And last, they have, and I'm going to bring up my cover here again, and the last thing that they have is Proton Pass, which is a encrypted password manager that I use. Now, all of these applications, whether they be used on your computer or your Mac or your Windows machine, they're all available there, but they they can also be used web-based. So you're not you're not dictated on where you can use them or how you can use them. So the password manager works just like NordPass or the Apple password application. And same thing again, all your passwords are encrypted, all your information is encrypted. Nobody has the ability to watch any of your or see any of your passwords. They are autofill, so when I go to a website or my bank or anything like that, I'm able to just use Face ID and log in securely to banks, insurance companies, stock brokerages, any of those important places that you do not want to have anybody looking at your data. They also have an application, Proton Calendar. So they have a full suite, and this whole bundle, I was paying about $700 a year for Dropbox, NordPass, Apple iCloud, NordPass VPN, my own personal email. I was paying at least $700 a year for all those different services from all kinds of different companies. And now I'm able to have just one service, one company that is based out of Switzerland that uses encryption. And their mission statement is your information is private. So if you're looking for a all-in-one solution for your, to keep your life and your data secure, private, and encrypted, check out Proton. So it's proton.me is what you want to search for, and that'll bring up their website. And if you mention me, if you sign up, Robert Stevens, my email address is rnjstevens@proton.me. Then you will get a discount, and I will also get a discount down the road as well. So anybody that I send their way. So if you're looking for something that's secure and you're tired of being spied on by Big Brother, Proton is your answer. So thank you very much for watching. As always, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Helps out the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Rob out.